Okay, everybody, welcome to Skit Atlanta Commentary. I just wanted to do a YouTube analysis update on my channel. Currently standing at 654 subscribers. Thank y'all so much for your support, and that has grown a lot in the last, I want to say 7 to 14 days. Where I was at 189 and now I'm at 654. So I've gained 465 new subscribers. Thank y'all so much for taking your time and watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I wanted to just go over a few analytics about my channel because I do analytic updates just to show you the information that I'm giving you, what it can actually do for your channel. You see there's my congratulations for hitting 4,000 watch hours for my new achievements. And that's a video I just did for 2025, just telling everybody Happy New Year. Let's see. I wanted to go to analytics of my page. Sorry, y'all. I wanted to go to the analytics of my page and just basically, let me take this off because for some reason it keeps clicking notifications in and off. The analytics of my page for the past 28 days. Now, I do like to do it from the past 7 days versus the past 28 days because it kind of gives me a realistic look at what I'm looking at for the week, for my week's goal. But for this particular spot, I'll switch it over for 7 days so you can see it. But I'm going to, I like to go from off 28 days and sometimes 90 days. So for 20 days, 8 days, it's showing 124,400 views, 4,000 watch hours, and 486 new subscribers for the past 28 days. I know, so that's actually a little bit more than what I was stating on my last figures by like 21 more subscribers. So thank y'all for that. My views in the last 48 hours is 12,400. I did a breakdown. I did a chart for myself because it only shows you 48. It doesn't really show you 24. So I started watching it as of yesterday just to kind of see what my averages is. And I think on a daily, I'm averaging about 6,252 views a day is what I'm averaging. So thank y'all so much for watching these videos, mines, and comment in the comment section because, like I said, and we'll always say, the comment section is the life of the video. And if y'all notice, if you notice, there's another tab up there I did not have before, and that's revenue. Now, on my channel, because I just hit the first stage of being monetized, there is no actual income on there yet, because I think I'm coming right after the pay period for YouTube. I don't think I will get anything for January, but in February, I should be actually getting something from my YouTube channel. Don't know how much. I look forward to seeing that. But whatever it is, I'm thankful. I'm grateful. Because basically, YouTube pays you a month behind. So like for the pay that people's going to get in January, they're actually getting it from December. So from December 22nd through December, I think January 15th or 16th, before the calculation go in, and then they're paid anywhere from the 21st to the 23rd is the way I believe it goes. So I look forward to seeing that in a couple of months to see, shoot, even if it's $100, thank y'all. My content, for everybody that's been following me, y'all know that I have grown greatly over the last 3 months because I've really gotten serious about my channel. I have taken off in the past 7 to 14 days now, leading up to the 28, where it just really took off because it kind of caught on to a couple of trends that happened over that period, and I was blessed to be a part of the growth from that trend. My views is 123,200. I have over 1 million impressions on my channel, and my click-through rate is 8.3. Now, at one point it was like 9 something. It has went down just a tad bit because, like I said, I caught a growth on a wave. So, and you can see the little incline there. I caught a growth on a wave that really took my channel over the top, in my opinion. Nothing viral or anything like that, but it just gave me the boost that I need in order to move forward. So I'm in that first stage of because I'm only at 654 as far as subscribers. So I'm at that first stage where they do monetize your channel if you want to get into TikTok. If you want to get into super chats and a store, if you want to advertise, put up a store for your YouTube channel, I'm able to do that once that process actually takes place, but I am qualified for it now. So just taking y'all along through it, and this is still on the 28-day process. Let's go back real quick. Let's change it from 28 days to 7, so y'all can see what I'm kind of saying. In 7 days, trying to hold this. I got 3.1K returning viewers. Thank y'all. 4,000 watch hours and 40,000 unique viewers. So those are viewers that does not necessarily subscribe to my channel or haven't visited my channel before. They're different, they're unique. And it shows 462 new subscribers on my channel. Thank y'all. If you haven't noticed, my channel has went through a name change of Skitlanta. So like the Skitlanta commentary is the new name, formerly known as Tamira's Life Journey, Life After 5. I kind of got a shorter name and a catchy name to kind of go with what I'm actually doing. Y'all do know I do commentary on videos, reviews. I do tips for YouTube, as well as I kind of let you talk about business and building yourself up, not just in business life, but personal, as far as mindset as well, because you have to have a certain mindset when you're talking about being an entrepreneur. So we do discuss those type of topics on my channel. Now on the channel, I have separated so you can kind of see if this is what you're coming for. If you look at the thumbnail, Skitlanta, the commentary or the reviews will be with the yellow background. YouTube tips will show YouTube tips. And then the other ones that I have done, I kind of left their thumbnails the way they were prior to me doing the switch. So that way you can kind of maneuver yourself around. I do have playlists on my channel that if you want to go in and look at a particular topic, such as beat the algorithm, if you want information on transportation, if you want information about budgeting and finances, I have playlists so that you could go in and look at those things. So I'm just kind of sharing how my channel is broken up to now, so that it'll be a little easier in order to maneuver through my channel, and you can kind of find what it is you're looking for. This is the 7-day layout of my channel. So it's showing 121K view, 942K impressions, 88.7 is the click-through rate, 1 minute 54 is the duration for the time on my typical video. I would like to say this, like, I try not to make the videos too long. That way, you could watch through the whole thing on the video if y'all would like to, and it will really help me out on my channel as well. But for the most part, I try to give you a lot of information up front for those that don't like to stay for the whole video, but you are missing the nugget of the video if you don't go to the end. There's always something at the end of my video to offer some type of tip, lesson, or in moving forward in the future. I plan on doing like a contest on my channel to kind of give back to my community for supporting and helping me. I want to give back to my channel. So make sure y'all are subscribed, because that will be one of the rules once I go active with those contests that I'm getting ready to put on there. You have to be subscribed to my channel in order to do it. But right now I'm just setting everything up, making sure I'm going through the right channels. I'm doing everything the way YouTube allow us to do it. And so I'm doing my research on that, but I'm just kind of giving everybody a heads up that I do have a giveaway that I got coming up. And if you want to be a part of that giveaway, that's one of the rules. You have to be subscribed to my channel in order to qualify for it. You do not have to purchase absolutely, positively nothing. I don't need you to purchase nothing for me. You don't have to give me anything as an incentive. I just want to go ahead and put that out there. When everything is finished being set up, of course, for those that know, once I go live on my channel, you can, if you want, be able to do like super chats or whatnot, which I'm still trying to figure out how all that works. I know there's some type of a way you can earn something from that, but I'm not really quite sure exactly how that works, since I never really been a part of that. But I'm just kind of giving heads up where my channel is going, to inform my viewers, as well as I will be doing some lives. My lives will be every Sunday and Wednesday of every week. I will try to do my lives about between 6 and 7 at night. And I don't plan on doing lives for too long, maybe like an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours if it's a hot and popping live, but for the most part, an hour. Okay, so make sure y'all start popping in on my lives. I think I'm gonna do one tomorrow. I'm gonna do a live tomorrow for the new year. So make sure y'all jump in, whether we're talking about my commentaries or whether we're talking about YouTube tips built. But in the end, we're always talking about helping each other and helping motivate, inspire, and help each other grow. So I don't care what brings you to the channel. That will always be my #1 goal, to give back and to help fellow content creators, because that's just who I am. So I'm not gonna keep you too long here on this analysis. I just kind of want to give a update about my channel, where it's going, how it's formatted, so everybody can kind of understand what's going on here. Okay. All right, y'all. And I did do a merging of the two. You'll notice that one of my videos, I have a thumbnail for Skitlanta, but if you go into the video, you will see it was a merging of the two channels, kind of trying to blend my worlds together. But moving forward, outside of this video here, you will, outside of this video, and I think even on this video, I think I'm still going to keep it as YouTube tips, because I want to be straight and direct, because I've already kind of did a merger. But I think it will be the only one that will have a merge YouTube. That was just to connect my two worlds. But you might end up seeing like my next up-and-coming video might be something about YouTube or whatever, or tips, or other stuff that I talk about, versus just Skitlanta, just moving forward. So that way we can I can kind of intertwine this and get all my audience together in one form of way, because whether we're watching it just for views, or we're watching it for laughs, we're watching it to learn, we're watching it to grow, We're all one big community. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. As always, be your brothers and your sister keeper. Always keep God first. And toodles.